So today we will begin chapter 12, Pythagoras theorem. Chapter 12. Pythagoras theorem. Now see here, what is Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, this is the theorem of right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, suppose ये right angle triangle, right angle at B, right angle at B means this angle is of 90 degree. It's clear. Now side which is in front of the right angle, that is known as hypotenuse. It is known as hypotenuse. And these two sides are containing right angle. These two sides are containing right angle. Actually, according to the Pythagoras theorem, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of sides containing right angle. It's clear. What is Pythagoras theorem? The square of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse का square is equal to sum of square of sides containing right angle triangle. Right angle containing right angle. Now see here. What is hypotenuse here? AC. Means AC square is equal to right angle is contained by AB and BC equals to AB square plus BC. Here AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Yes, what friend? You make the diagram and write down. So in the right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of sides containing right angle. It's clear. Now see here. Here if you see in this triangle, which one will be the longest side? AC will be the longest side. Hypotenuse will be longest. Remaining two sides will be smaller than the hypotenuse. It's clear. Now see here, suppose you have to check whether these are the sides of a right angle triangle. These sides are in centimeters. Here these sides are in centimeters. And you have to check whether these are the sides of a right angle triangle or not. हमको ये पता करना है कि ये right angle triangle की sides हैं या नहीं हैं. What will you do? You find out the square of the longest side. What is the square of the longest side? 5. Then you find out the sum of the squares of remaining two. Sum of the squares of remaining two. That is 3 square plus that is equals to 9 plus 16 equals to 25. So you can see here. Here you can see that since 3 square plus 4 square equals to 5 square. Therefore, these are the sides of a right angle triangle. These are the sides of a right angle triangle. Suppose you have to check, so these are also called Pythagorean triplet. We call this as Pythagorean triplet. Now one more thing, if in any triangle, square of the longest side is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides, then that triangle will be right angle triangle. That triangle will be right angle triangle. And which angle will be of 90 degree? Which is opposite to the longest side. which is opposite to the longest side. So you note down this. Now suppose here you have to check whether these are the sides of a right angle triangle or not. So you find out the 150. Then you find out 5 square plus 12 square 25 plus 140. That is 160. And since both are equal, therefore these are the sides of right angle triangle. Now which angle will be of 90 degree? Which is opposite to 13 degree. It's clear? So 5, 12, 13 are the Pythagorean triplet. Now see the question. Now all of you see here, question number 1 you can do. I have already explained. Now see here, question number 2. Put off a 10 meter long ladder. Ladder means सीढ़ी. मालूम ही होगा ladder ऐसी होती है. जब इसको ग्राउंड पर रख दिया तो ये ऐसे. अगर पूछा जाए व्हाट इज द फुट ऑफ द लेटर तो यही चीज होगी फुट ऑफ द लेटर. द फुट ऑफ 10 मीटर लॉन्ग लेटर लीनिंग अगेंस्ट ए वर्टिकल वॉल. दिस इज द वर्टिकल वॉल. इसमें दिस इज वॉल. इट इज लीनिंग अगेंस्ट ए वर्टिकल वॉल एंड इट्स लेंथ इज हाउ मच 10 मीटर. दिस इज 10 मीटर. So foot of a 10 meter long ladder leaning against a vertical wall is 6 meter away from the base of the wall. Means करें foot base of the wall क्या है? Base of the wall is this. उससे कितनी distance पर है? 6 meter. Means this distance is 6. इसमें ladder का foot base of the wall से कितना है? 6 meter. You have to find the height of the point on the wall where the top of the ladder reaches. मतलब उस पॉइंट की हाइट फाइंड आउट करनी है वॉल पर उस पॉइंट की हाइट फाइंड आउट करनी है जहाँ तक है टॉप ऑफ द लैडर पहुँचे. मतलब ये you have to determine. Now here which angle is of 90 degree? Yes, you. ये वाला. This angle is of 90 degree. When you will apply the Pythagoras theorem, what will you get? 10 square equals to h square plus 6 square. You note down that h square equals to 100 minus 64. Therefore, h equals to 8. Next page. Now you note down. Now next question. Question number 3. A guy attached 24 meter long to a vertical wire of 24 meter long to a vertical pole of height 18 meter and has a stake attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven? Means it is like this. Here this is a pole whose height is how much? 24. In order to keep it vertical, a wire is fixed here. The wire whose length is how much? Length of wire is 24 and it is of 18. A 24 meter long wire is attached and its other end is fixed with the help of a stake here in the ground. It's clear? So you have to find the distance of this stake from the base of the it's this. This you can take as x. This distance you have to find. So once again, here this angle is a. So when you will apply Pythagoras theorem, 18 square plus x square. 24 square is 576 equals to 324 plus x square. So what is x square here? 576 minus 324. That is equals to
52.
How much? 242. 252. It's clear? So what is the x? X equals to square root 252. So now you factorize it. 252 here. then 21, then so you can see here 2 का पेयर बन गया, 3 का पेयर बन गया, 2 3 जा 6 root 7. It's clear? You wrote down. Poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plain ground. If the distance between their feet is 12 meter, means one pole is of 6 meter, another pole is of 11 meter, and if the distance between their feet is 12 meter. 12 meter. Find the distance between their tops. This distance you will find. This is 3. From here I will draw one perpendicular name. Means you have to find AC. Distance between their tops. मतलब जो पोल के टॉप्स हैं उनके बीच की डिस्टेंस, दैट मीन्स AC you have to determine. So see here, how will you determine AC? So you can see here I have drawn one perpendicular from A on the CD, say AM. Now in this right angle triangle, ACM, what will be AM? It is clear. Then you can see this is 6, therefore this will also be 6. Itna bhi, and 11 minus 6, 5. Now this is 12, this is 5. When we will apply Pythagoras theorem, it will come out 30. To 30. What is the distance between their tops? It will be 30. It's clear. Now see here, next question, question number 5. All of you see, next question. In a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is given how much? 20 centimeter. Hypotenuse is given 20 centimeter. And the ratio of the other two sides means which are containing right angle. That ratio is given 4:3. So you assume you have to find these other two sides. हमको ये दोनों other sides find out करनी है. So here we have assumed that let the sides are 4x and 3x. Now since the triangle is given right angle triangle, therefore hypotenuse का स्क्वायर इन दोनों के स्क्वायर के प्लस के इक्वल होगा. मीन्स 12 स्क्वायर 20 स्क्वायर will be equal to 4x का होल स्क्वायर प्लस. So you can see here 400 equals to 25x square. It's very simple. सबको मालूम होगा 4x square 16, x square 9x square 25x square. 25 to 16. So x square equals to 16. So x equals to 4. It's clear. And x equals to 4. So sides will be 16 centimeter and 12. It's clear. Now question number 7 also. Question number 7. For going to the city B from city A, B से A जाने के लिए क्या है? तो वाया सिटी C. B से पहले C जाएंगे एंड C से जैसे फॉर गोइंग टू ए सिटी B to the city A via a city C such that AC perpendicular to CB. This angle is AC equals to 2x and CB equals to 2. It is proposed to construct a 26 kilometer highway which directly connects the two cities A and B. There is a direct highway from A to B, means direct, and its length is given how much? 26 kilometers. So you have to find how much distance will be saved in reaching city B from city A after the construction of highway. Means highway बन जाने के बाद कितनी डिस्टेंस नहीं कवर करनी पड़ेगी. तो इसको हम ऐसे समझ सकते हैं, सपोज दिस टोटल लेंथ ऑफ दिस रूट इज 60 किलोमीटर. तो हाईवे बन जाने के बाद कितना जाना पड़ेगा? 26 किलोमीटर. सो हाउ मच डिस्टेंस विल बी सेव? 60 minus 26 means 24. पर अभी तो हमने यहाँ 60 को एज्यूम किया, हमको तो पता नहीं कितना है. सो फर्स्ट यू विल फाइंड व्हाट x. हाउ विल यू फाइंड x? by like Pythagoras theorem, this का square plus this square equals to this square. So from Pythagoras theorem we can see x plus 7 का now all of you see here, first see here 2x का equal to 20. By this way you can find x. When x is known, so this distance is known, this distance is known. So how much distance will be saved? This plus this minus 25.